Welcome back Access Granted community. Today, we're diving into a fun and visually striking customization for your Kali Linux terminal, the iconic matrix-style Code Rain. Whether you're a seasoned hacker or a curious newbie, this tutorial will add a touch of cinematic flair to your command line. Let's get started. First, let's install the necessary tool. Open your terminal and type the following command. Sudo apt update and sudo apt install kmatrix. This command updates your package lists and installs kmatrix, the program that will create our matrix effect. If prompted, enter your password and confirm the installation. Once the installation is complete, simply type kmatrix and press enter. Voila! Your terminal now mimics the falling code from the matrix. To exit, press Q on your keyboard. For bolder characters, simply type kmatrix B and press enter. To adjust the speed of the falling code, use the S option followed by a number. Lower numbers increase the speed. For example, type kmatrix S1 and press enter. You can combine options for a more personalized effect. For example, to have bold characters at high speed, type kmatrix B S1 and press enter. For a full list of customization options, check the manual by typing man kmatrix in the terminal. To add a splash of color, we'll use lolcat. First, install it with sudo apt install lolcat. Then type kmatrix lolcat and press enter. Now, your matrix effect is bursting with color. And there you have it, a personalized, colorful matrix effect for your Kali Linux terminal. If you enjoyed this tutorial, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to Access Granted for more tech tips and tricks. Hit the bell icon to stay updated on our latest content. Drop a comment below if you have any questions or suggestions for future videos. Until next time, keep exploring and stay curious.